In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to land Sukura's Black Flash in Realm Rampage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In Realm Rampage, Sukuna has a Black Flash, so while you are playing as the Disgraced One or Sukuna, you will be able to use the Black Flash. In order to do this, you need to use your special, and as soon as your character flashes wide, while you are using your special, you have to press the special button again. So on keyboard, it is going to be R. So all that you have to do is walk up to a dummy or a player, press R, and then press R again once your player flashes wide. If you are able to get the timing down, you will see some red particles fly off, and your punch will be much stronger. So to summarize, all that you have to do is press R, which is your special button. Your character is going to start winding up a punch, and if you press R again when your character flashes wide, you will be able to see the Black Flash effect go off. If you missed the timing, you will not be able to do it properly, so just keep practicing. I recommend that you join a private server and you keep attacking a dummy over and over again. This is going to allow you to get better with the timing, and then once you are comfortable, you will be able to use it without any issues against real players in public servers. So once again, just join a private server, you will be able to find this dummy on the middle of the map, and then to practice, you just press R and then press R again when your character flashes wide. You will be able to keep practicing over and over, and you will get the timing down. You can enable no cooldowns, as you can see here, which allows you to spam your special, so you don't have to wait for the cooldown every time. Just change the cooldown option, and then you will be able to practice. You will be able to do this reliably, so it is something that you can master, and you will never miss a Black Flash again as Sukuna in Realm Rampage. You will get the timing down, and as you can see, I actually missed that time. But once you get comfortable, you don't even have to look at your character. To start, I recommend that you look out for when your character flashes wide, and eventually your brain will know the timing of the move without having to look for when your character flashes wide. I hope I was able to help you on how to land Sukuna Black Flash in Realm Rampage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.